If you're looking for the best engine degreaser in 25, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 engine degreasers that will keep your engine bay spotless and running at peak efficiency. We've considered cleaning power, safety, eco-friendliness, and real customer feedback so you can choose the right one for your car. All the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1, Sonax Engine Degreaser. First up, we have the Sonax Engine Cleaner. This is a powerful spray-on degreaser designed to tackle tough grease, grime, and dirt from engines, tools, and even machinery. What makes it stand out is its phosphate and solvent-free formula, making it eco-friendly and safe to use regularly. It's also gentle on metals, plastics, and rubber, so you don't have to worry about discoloration or damage to engine parts. Plus, it penetrates hard-to-reach areas that scrubbing often misses. Whether you're a DIY car enthusiast or a professional detailer, Sonax delivers a thorough clean every time. Number 2, Gunk Engine Degreaser. Next is the legendary Gunk Original Heavy Duty Engine Degreaser. Trusted by professionals for decades, this aerosol spray is a budget-friendly powerhouse. Just spray it on, let it sit, and rinse. It effortlessly lifts stubborn oil and grime. The best part? It requires no special tools or brushes, making it one of the most cost-effective and convenient solutions for engine cleaning. If you want a proven heavy-duty option without breaking the bank, Gunk is a reliable choice. Number 3, Simple Green Engine Degreaser. At number 3, we have Simple Green. This isn't just an engine degreaser, it's a multi-purpose industrial cleaner and deodorizer. Recognized by the EPA's Safer Choice program, it's non-toxic, biodegradable, and safe for use on a wide range of surfaces, from engines to carpets and tiles. The concentrated formula can be diluted to fit different cleaning needs, giving you maximum value per bottle. If you want something that works on your car and around the house, Simple Green is an excellent eco-friendly option. Number 4, Oil Eater Engine Degreaser. Coming in fourth is Oil Eater. This biodegradable degreaser is USDA approved and safe for use even in food service environments. It's ultra concentrated, meaning you can dilute it for anything from cleaning engines and tools to driveways, grills, and even laundry pre-wash. The fresh lemon scent is a bonus, making it more pleasant to work with compared to harsher chemicals. If you want a versatile cleaner that goes beyond just engine bays, Oil Eater is a strong contender. Number 5, Seafoam Engine Degreaser and Motor Treatment. Last but not least, we have Seafoam Motor Treatment. Unlike typical spray-on degreasers, Seafoam works from inside your engine. Add it directly to your fuel and oil systems, and it cleans injectors, carburetor passageways, intake valves, and chamber deposits while also lubricating upper cylinders. It even stabilizes gas and diesel fuel for up to 2 years, making it great for seasonal vehicles or long-term storage. Seafoam is a trusted product for keeping engines clean and running smoothly from the inside out. And there you have it, the top 5 best engine degreasers in 2025. From powerful sprays like Sonax and Gunk, to eco-friendly options like Simple Green and Oil Eater, and even internal treatments like Seafoam, there's a degreaser here for everyone's needs. All the product links are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and keep your engine running clean.